Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we're unboxing a fan favorite. This is the Logitech G535 LIGHTSPEED wireless headset. A big step up from the G435 in battery life, but still lightweight and wearable for the entire day. This is a killer headset, so let's get right into it. So the first thing we'll do is slide out the inner packaging and, wow, look at the presentation. On top here we have the accessories box, which we'll set aside for now. Next thing we have is the headset itself, wrapped in some protective material. We'll go ahead and remove that. And now, it's time for the peel. Just a small peel this time. And here is the unit itself. This one weighs in at 236 grams. Still super light on the head, and all of that extra battery offers 33 hours of gaming. These have an extremely comfortable headband that's reversible, adjustable, and even washable. You can really dial in your fit with these. And that headband suspends the headset so that it isn't resting directly on your ears and temples. They're super flexible, and the ear cups are super cushy. You can legitimately wear these all day. And inside the box we have some documentation, but we'll go ahead and set all of this aside. Now let's take a quick look through the accessories box. First, we have the LIGHTSPEED dongle, and inside here we have the charge cable. Everything you'll need to get up and running. On the left side of the headset, you'll find the power button, a volume control wheel, and the flip-up boom mic. One of my favorite details here is if you flip the mic upwards, it mutes. I seriously love this headset. 40mm drivers that sound great, super good response time because of the LIGHTSPEED connection, and they're even Discord certified. I hope that covers the features and benefits of this outstanding headset. Feel free to check out our video on how to connect your LIGHTSPEED headset, and check out our G-Hub video that covers some of what you can do to customize your experience with your headset in G-Hub. Lastly, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to check out our support site, which has downloads, FAQs, and tons of other cool resources to help you get the most out of your product. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.